Here we are. November, what is it?
Oh, it's December 1st.
Oh, December 1st.
The way to start the new month.
This is the backyard. This is the swimming pool. This is my husband.
You just extended your property line to the... You have two
Hector.
pools now, the wash.
Hector the protector. And then this is a fence. This is the fence that goes along. This is our son Nick. As you can tell, it's still windy. There's Kathy.
Wow. This is amazing.
Oh, it's soft. Watch it. The dirt's soft. See the kids ride their bikes. You can see the bike treads there. This is Mother Nature's force. Ah. So this is our property. It goes all the way. I've never been back here because I can't climb that wall. LOL. There's Nick's tree house. So this is where so I took picture all the way to the tree house and back so they could see the whole wall. A lot of these tiles are broken, Hector.
Yeah, but most of them are still
Look
good.
at the dirt. Watch it with my planter, Nick.